Hi friends, if you want to create a wonderful website for school, especially for children's schools and kids life, this video is for you. In this video we are going to create a demo website like this, and we are going to use a wonderful WordPress theme called Kids Life in this video. So we are going to overview all the features of Kids Life WordPress theme, and it is of course a Power Elite author developed theme, and it is by DesignThemes itself. And DesignThemes are of course wonderful theme developers. They always bring wonderful WordPress themes, and we are going to use this theme for this demo website, and we are going to overview complete feature and functionality. So if you are looking for a wonderful theme for children in school, this video is going to really helpful for you, because you will come to know all the features, and I believe you will not like to decide any theme without understanding the complete feature and functionality of that particular theme. So without any further delay, let us proceed towards installation of Kids Life. And I must tell you something more about the Kids Life. The theme came into existence in 2015, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done time to time. The DesignThemes are of course very big development house, I believe, and they have wonderful collection of WordPress themes as well. So let us proceed towards installation, and I have this fresh installation of WordPress, and I believe you have already taken a suitable domain name for your upcoming website, and you are already having a hosting plan. If not, you may follow the link given in the description of this video, and you can avail the best thing, I mean the hosting, domain, and the theme pack itself. So just follow the link. Everything is available in the description. Okay, so let us proceed towards installation. And yes, so this is my fresh installation for this illustration purpose, and it is running 2022 default WordPress theme on the latest version of WordPress. And I got the theme pack. In the theme pack I have this Kids Life, in which I have licensing. Some premium plugins has been provided in the theme pack itself, like Visual Composer, Layer Slider, Revolution Slider, and Ultimate VC add-ons. And the main theme file is also here, child theme file is already here, and Kids Life old is also here, and readme text is. So we are going to use this kidslife.zip file for our installation process, and let us quickly install the theme first of all to understand the next features. And we have to be in the appearance section of WordPress for installing the theme. And okay, so just click on the themes and add new and upload themes, choose file, and here we have to upload kidslife.zip file here. So don't try to upload the complete folder, it is going to be an error, and it is common mistake by people. So just you have to upload kidslife.zip file, and you can also upload the same file directly to WP content themes folder if you are having direct access on your hosting through file manager or FTP. I'm doing the same. I wish to save some time, and I will also show you the theme file size in this manner. So theme file size is bit high, and it is just 42.23 MB in size. However, it gets uploaded within seconds if you are having a suitable hosting plan. So again, you have to take a very wonderful hosting plan for running a WordPress website, and you don't need to bother all these things. Just you have to follow the link given in the description. You'll get the best one, of course. So once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file. And the extraction outcome is this folder. Okay, so it got extracted in the exactly in the this folder, because it should be under themes folder. So let me rearrange this first. Okay, so I have reloaded the theme, and now I'm going to extract it in a folder called Kids Life, since last time it was extracted in the themes root folder, and now I am going to extract it in Kids Life folder. So now I can extract it here, and okay, so I believe it will be fine now. Yes, so it is Kids Life here, and we got all the components of theme here in this folder. So now we can delete this chip one, and coming back to the screen again, themes screen, and we have now this Kids Life as another theme option along with the default theme. Let us check the details. This is Kids Life version 4.2 by DesignThemes team, and it is of course by DesignThemes, and Kids Life is a children WordPress theme. Let's activate this. Okay, so upon activation we got an alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to get the complete features of this theme, and let us see what is here. And these are 10 plugins that has been marked as required and recommended for using this theme and getting the complete features of this theme. So this theme uses Unison framework. It is a great framework, of course, for WordPress, and WP Bakery Page Builder is here for page builder. Contact Form 7 is of course here. This theme also supports the Woocommerce, so Woocommerce is well available here. SoundCloud for uploading this MP3 or the sound voice files, and DesignThemes core feature plugin is already here. It is pre-packed and has been developed by the original developer itself. ClearKey toolkit is here, and rest of plugins are also well available here. So we have to install all these plugins, and I am choosing to install all 10 plugins in one go. And if you are not confident about your server capacity and you have not taken the hosting from WP Themes, you may consider to install plugins one by one to avoid any error during the plugin installation process. And plugins are being installed, and it will not take much time. It will hardly take 30 to 40 seconds in our case. So yes, so all plugins got installed successfully without any trouble, and we can go back to the plugin installer screen. And okay, so this is time to activate all the installed plugins, and I'm waiting for this redirection. Okay, so it is going to Woocommerce setup wizard. It is a general information page for completing the Woocommerce setup, and we can skip this setup because Woocommerce is already installed, activated here, and we can fill these information after completing the demo content and all. And I believe all the plugins has been already activated along with the installation only. So okay, so all plugins are active, and yes, so Inverter Market is here to update, but it is not exactly required. So okay, all plugins are here, and we have activated all the plugins as well. I mean, it has been already activated along with the installation, and we are fine here at dashboard, and we have successfully installed all set of plugins and the theme itself. Now it is time to take a look of our website, how it looks with all set of plugins and the theme itself. So this is the basic look of our website, which is using Kids Life WordPress theme. And yes, it is of course without any content or demo content, and we have target website like this. So we have to import the demo content at this stage to get a demo website like this. So let us proceed towards the demo import, and I'll find the option. This theme uses Unison as framework, so I believe Unison is being used for importing the demo content. And under tools, the demo importer is not available as of now. I'm just looking for the options. Kids Life option is here, so I'm just exploring. I'll also show you each and every options through which we can customize our website as well. And okay, so still I am unable to locate where I can import the demo. Okay, so nothing is hidden in my videos. This is the beauty of this channel, that I'm showing you each and every step through which you can create a demo website, and further you can customize your website for making it live for yourself. Okay, so I'm just wondering if Unison extensions are here, and I believe so. Active installation, no active installation is here. This is why the demo importer may not be available. And what I'll do, I will download and activate the backup and demo content extension for Unison, and it will bring the demo import option as well. So I'm not referring the documentation, however it may be available, the process may be available in the theme documentation itself, but yes, I am using my experience. And now backup and demo content is active extension is available in the Unison, and I can check under tools. Okay, so under tools now it is available demo content installed. So you need to follow the same procedure to activate the demo importer. Okay, so let us see what is here. And yes, so we have this Kids Life demo import option, and we can simply click on the install button. And yes, so if since this theme is using the Unison, and Unison is a wonderful framework for, at least for WordPress, and it is really very helpful in my past installations as well, and importing the demo content exactly. So it imports the demo very well and also resizes, recreates the image. Yes, it of course takes time, and you have to be on this screen without refreshing the screen, without hitting the back button. Just watch the screen messages, and the message is showing each and everything. So image resize, restore, 3 out of 200. So it is of course going to take time, but don't disturb, don't hinder the process. It will definitely bring a wonderful demo website for you. And yes, so once it will complete, it will automatically redirect to the new website, so you have nothing to do with this import process. And after that we will preview our new website and all the options available in the left navigation what we got in this installation. So stay tuned with me, and don't decide anything including this one without understanding the complete features. This is the purpose of this video, so just watch the complete video, don't skip any stage. And the wonderful website is here. Just after completing the image resize, this is new website. As I told, it will be redirected to new website automatically, and I have all the pages here, and the complete website is here. Undoubtedly it was a very simple and smooth installation with all set of images, pages and features and blocks of website is here. So now I can simply conclude this is a awesome theme for children's school and kids life. Okay, so all pages are here, and we can check much pages and all. So shop option is also here, so everything is there. Okay, so now I'm going back to the dashboard again to show you what we got additional in this installation. Okay, so database update is required. We can simply update the database and continue again, and it is here. So Unison, it is simple a framework, and I'll just show you the additional things, just giving you overview and glimpse, nothing much. So portfolios is new thing, and okay, so these are the portfolio pages. You can simply use these pages by putting your own content, and it is very simple to edit the content. I believe you know this, and if just in case if you need any support, we can help you in this as well. So you can add, and just don't forget to delete the extra pages that you are not using at your website. So portfolio you can add from here. Events, similarly events is a new section, and you can create events here, and I'll also show you the events page. This is the events. Okay, so now when you, this is completely event section, and portfolio is also here. And okay, let us go to the, okay, so headers is being controlled through the header tab, and you can edit the header section using this section. So just in case if you want to edit the header, you can check which header is being used at your page, and you simply hover the okay, so wonderful. So you have to edit header. I believe home header is this, and you can edit header with using WP Bakery page builder. And okay, so I'll show you just how it is looking. The front end builder takes time in loading, so you can use the backend editor as well. So it is simple, and use backend editor. So this is home header, and you can edit the logo and rest of things from mega menu and social label. So the logo can be edited in the header section itself. Now I am going to show you the next. Similarly, footer is also available, so multiple footers are here, I believe. Okay, so footer is only one. You can edit the footer section. Mega menus again is a new section in this installation. You can handle the mega menu part. And Woocommerce is here for uploading the products. And okay, so layer slider is being used for hero image section. And now I will show you the theme options, the kids life option. This is the theme panel, you can say. So these are the options. I'm again going to give you just a short and simple glimpse what is available here. This is general setting, site header, layout options, breadcrumb option, all page option, widget area, Woocommerce, social label, hooks, custom fonts, backup, kids life log is also here, plugin option, portfolio. So these are the simple settings through which you can control your websites. And finally, I'm going to show you how you can edit the content. So this theme uses WP Bakery page builder, and of course you can open the page that you want to edit. And if you are new in WP Bakery page builder, so you can take a backup using any duplicated plugin, just to make sure that just in case if you made any mistake, you can restore the page. So this is this front-end editor of WP Bakery, and you can simply edit the section simply clicking by the pencil link available here. So just keep in mind, you have to use same length text and same dimension image that has been used in the demo content to maintain the integrity of design of your website. And you can of course change or remove the sections that you want to edit or remove. And I'll show you the backend also. So backend editor is more convenient, at least for me. So you can use this backend editor. You can simply remove the section that you don't want to have at your website. And again, I'm showing you the number of pages that we got in this installation. And okay, so 60 published pages are here. So again, it is a simple reminder for you, just delete those pages which you are not using at your website, because it is going to be indexed by the search engine and going to put bad impression in your search results. So just keep live those pages that is active at your website, and I believe you will be able to create a wonderful website using this Kids Life WordPress theme. And this is our demo website that we created in this video. Okay, so all good with this theme, and you can decide about this theme now. Just follow the link given in the description. You'll get each and everything, and let us be in touch to make your wonderful website. We are just a click away. Just follow the link and start building your website. So keep building, keep watching. Thank you.